The alleged leaked footage begins with a high-budget, cinematic reveal of the Apple M5 iPad Pro 2025 model. The device is showcased on a stark white rotating pedestal under studio lighting, giving it the aura of a concept art piece. The aluminum frame glistens, ultra-thin bezels fade into the background, and the glowing Apple logo flickers to life in slow motion. Minimalist typography floats in the air. M5 chip, OLED panel, 14H battery, accentuating the drama. As the camera pans inward around 0.27, we move into macro detail shots. The OLED panel illuminates the Apple logo. The micro-LED or micro-OLED pixels reflect in minute fashions. The rear camera module glints, and the precision speaker grills are shown in razor-sharp clarity. These opening frames establish a tone of hyper-realism and premium quality. Next, the video moves into an exploded hardware animation. Internal layers peel apart to show the M5 system on chip, cooling solution, battery module, logic board, and the OLED display stack. Futuristic data overlays flow above each component, emphasizing performance statistics and internal design. The backdrop is a high-tech lab environment, with cinematic lighting and dynamic transitions. Within this sequence, benchmark scores, Geekbench, 3D Mark, etc. flash across translucent panels, heralding record-breaking claims. Neon blues and silvers glow, circuits hum, and the device's internals feel alive. This segment's aim: to present the M5 iPad Pro not merely as a tablet, but as a computing marvel in visual form. The scene shifts to side-by-side comparisons of the new M5 iPad Pro and the current M4 iPad Pro. Differences are subtle but emphasized. Slimmer bezels, slightly thinner chassis, brighter, and possibly higher refresh, OLED display, upgraded speaker arrays, and a tweaked rear camera lens. Before versus after style transitions highlight these refinements in a glossy, high-contrast visual style. Then we dive deeper into the M5 internals once more, this time zooming into the chip's architecture. Neural cores glow, data lines pulse across silicon, and visualizations present 3nm architecture, AI performance, and energetic pathways flowing through logic gates. It's a stylized, almost sci-fi representation of how the silicon might operate. Later, the iPad floats in midair surrounded by holographic text bubbles. M5 chip, OLED panel, 16 GB.